Hey y'all. All right, let's answer this question right here. What is the difference in filing exempt and claiming zero? Good question. Really good question. Filing exempt and claiming zero, in a way, are opposite of each other. Let's talk about claiming zero. Guys, this is a term that people use, which pretty much means I'm going to put a zero on this W-4 form so that throughout the year, I'm paying the highest possible rate in taxes. Yes, the highest possible rate in taxes. Sometimes people do this out of fear. They just do not want to owe the government at the end of the year, and that's why they like getting their refunds. For other people, they're used to owing because of the tax bracket that they're in. Maybe they're not investing. They don't have any outside businesses. So because of their tax bracket, they're used to owing. They may put a zero on here just to lower their tax obligation. So the term claiming zero is a person saying, I'm not even going to put a one for myself. They may have kids and they may not even claim their kids on this form throughout the year. Not what I recommend. Crazy, I know. Not what the IRS recommends. But yes, people do it. Okay, now exempt, on the other hand, is having $0 in federal taxes withheld from your paycheck. Now this means you're getting all of your money, okay? All of it. You're not paying any taxes throughout the year. Now, on the old W-4 form, there used to be like a little box number 7 that you used to just check, and it would tell you the requirements for you to file exempt. If you don't qualify and meet those qualifications to pay $0 in federal taxes, don't file exempt. I personally say, y'all, just fill out the W-4 using the estimator tool, and it will save you so much time and it'll make it so easy.